Hi, my name's Landry with Safeguard Medical, and today we're going to be going over the kit contents of the Instant Moulage Kit. Your Instant Moulage Kit is going to come in this travel case, easy to transport. And inside your case, you're going to receive a container of makeup remover wipes, a bottle of Sticky Blood A, used as a fresh blood, blast spray used to create instant burns, sea sponge used with your blast spray and your Sticky Blood A to create those instant burn effects, a floor bud concentrate included with a spray nozzle for a splattered effect. It's a 4:1 ratio with 4 parts water to 1 part blood. Fresh scab used to create instant cuts and wounds, coagulated blood mixture. Sweat and tears used to create instant sweat and tears. Face blood that can be used around the nose and mouth because it's edible. Applicator tools such as a spatula to dispense out your coagulated blood, and a sweat sponge to apply your sweat and tears. And lastly, cups to dispense your products into.